Halo Reach is coming out tonight. Oh shit. Look at that
Damn, holy fuck. You guys got me there, you guys got me.
You guys good?
Oh fuck, dude, that was crazy.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, brothers? Oh, that was good. Go ahead.
Really?
Yep.
What the fuck was that?
Alright, got it. Go. You good? Yeah.
Let me know, you got a good
Got
shot,
it.
everybody?
Yep. Yeah. Yep. You see his face? Yeah. Go ahead. Told you.
Hey, how we doing?
We gotta talk to him. Is he cool? Yeah, keep your window up, Arlen.
How we doing, man? Pretty loud.
Yeah. See if we can get... Here he comes.
That girl right there is, she's feeling like her.